Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last video. I hope you guys are doing great. Anyway, in today's video, we're going to take a look at this cool Titles Pro pack from EasyEdit. Some of you might already know about this, but if you don't, keep watching this video because you don't want to miss this. So, Titles Pro is a pack of animated video templates for Davinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Final Cut Pro made by EasyEdit. It's a super powerful templates that will help you to edit your video faster and will definitely make your video looks more interesting and fun to watch, like what you're watching right now. This is the third version, which contains more than 1,500 unique animated templates with 23 various categories. These templates are easy to use even for beginners, and all the elements in the template are customizable. You can access the size, font, color, duration, and even the background is editable. There are also a lot of different useful templates that you can check out in the website, link in the description. And we are also doing a giveaway, so you have a chance to get your favorite pack from EasyEdit. Watch this video till the end to see how to participate. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into Davinci Resolve and I'll show you how to use these templates. Okay, so after you have downloaded the files and extract it, let's take a look at what is inside the folder. Okay, so as you can see, there are a few folders. Let's check it out one by one. So this is the tutorial folder, which contain the tutorial on how to use these templates. Okay, and then this is the compositions preview. You can take a fast preview on all of the templates inside this catalog. Okay, then this is the installer file. We'll get to it later. And then you will also get the templates in Illustrator formats. Okay. Then lastly, this is the fonts folders. So the first step you have to do is to open up this file and go to this link. Then download all of the fonts that are used inside these templates. Okay. After that, you need to install the fonts, and then you can go to the installer folder and double click on this file to install the templates to Davinci Resolve. Okay, after that, let's create a new project in Davinci Resolve. Okay, after you have created a new project, to see the templates, go to this effect tabs right here. If you don't see it, let me close it. Just click on it like this, and then go to titles, click on this drop down, and you will see this EasyEdit folder. Again, click on this drop down to see all of the categories inside this folder. Okay, so you can check it out one by one, and to see the preview, just hover over the titles like this. Okay, and then let's import a few text and I'll show you how to edit it. Okay, so to edit it, just click on the titles and go to this inspector tab right here. If you don't see it, just click on it like this, and right here you can edit all of the text and color inside the titles like this. And you can also change the font and the size as well, then the color like this. So let me edit all of it. And you can change the color of the line as well. If you scroll down, you can check all of these elements one by one. So let's change the color of the line. Okay, and even the position of the text, you can change it as well. So this is the main position, which is the title's positions. If you drag it, the location will change. And this is the first line of the text, the second line, third line, and this is the line position. Okay, so all of it are editable. Okay, so let me import another text like this one. And as you can see, you can change the color as well. So it's super convenient to use. And not just these titles that you will also get background. So if you go to generators inside, you will see this easy edit folder as well, and you will see all of this background. It's a loopless simple animations background that you can use for a video. So let's try this one. It's a loopless simple animation, so you can change the duration to match your video, like this. And not just the titles and background, you will also get this viewfinder effects inside this effects folder. This viewfinder is for photo and video, so let me show you real quick. Or remove it first and import a photo. To use it, super easy. Just drag the effects to the photo or the video. This is for the horizontal and this is for the vertical. Just drag it inside like this and then go to effects tab and you can change the color of the viewfinder like this. Okay, and for the vertical one, it's the same as well as before. Just drag it in like this. Okay, that's all. Okay, and finally, to enter the giveaway, you just need to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Then you can go to the Easy Edit website and pick one of your favorite pack that you want to get. After that, you can comment down below and I will pick a random person and announce it on my Instagram within 2 weeks. Okay, so make sure you follow my Instagram as well. Link in the description. And okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.